Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dev Trinika. So today I would like to present my PPT. It's about one of the beautiful places in Riau Island, namely Padang Melang Beach in Letung, Anambas. So Padang Melang Beach is one of the most popular beaches in Letung, Anambas. So this beach is famous for its long white sand, calm waves, and beautiful scenery. Many tourists visit this place because it is relaxing and suitable for families. So many tourists visit. Okay. So next is there are several interesting features of Padang Melang Beach. First, the beach has soft white sand and clean seawater. Second, the waves are calm, so it is safe for children and adults. Third, visitors can enjoy activities such as swimming, walking on the beach, playing with sand, and taking pictures. Next is cultural context. Padang Melang Beach is also connected to the local culture of Riau Island. The local people are friendly and mostly use Malay language in daily communication. Tourists can also enjoy local food and experience the simple lifestyle of the local community. The best time to visit Padang Melang Beach is from April to October. During this session, the weather is sunnier, the sea is calmer, and there is less rain. For accommodation, tourists can stay at motels or small resort in Letung. For example, is Mirantis Motel, which is located near the tourist area. So, this one. So why tourists like this place? So many tourists like this beach because it is peaceful, comfortable, and suitable for family vacations. So people can relax, enjoy the natural scenery, and spend quality time together. For the conclusion, Padang Melang Beach is one of the beautiful tourist destinations in Riau Island. The beach offers beautiful scenery, relaxing activities, and cultural experiences for visitors. I hope more people can visit and enjoy this amazing place. So that's all for me. Thank you and see you next time.